And good afternoon from AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong. You are looking at footage coming from the Next Gen Components Zone, which is a special showcase that we have here at the show. And we're going to have a quick walk around here and take a look at the kind of things that you can source from this part of the event. While you're watching this, if you feel compelled to go and look up what you're seeing, you can do that at globalsources.com, where you can preview all the products and exhibitors here at the show, all 3,800 booths of it, and also pre-register for free admission while you're at it. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the showcase and see what it's about. Basically, the idea of this is it's a way for buyers to identify the components they need to get and who they can source them from, split up not by categories such as, I don't know, say PCBs or capacitors or whatever, but rather by application. And for that reason, the showcase is split up into focus areas of five main categories. In this case, what you're looking at right now is a selection of components that are used in wearables. So right now this is, what are these? Waterproof phone jacks, micro USB connectors. And you'll see perhaps up here a car charger, so a larger scale component, or just illuminated switches right down to the tiniest bits. Put in a hand for scale, the tiniest parts of the system. And as you can see, there are all these little cards here as well. And so each one tells you who makes it, the inquiry number, where you can see them at the show, or how you can find them on the website. Also a few details and the minimum order quantity, which you may find useful as well. So that's wearables there. There's also smart security is another category that is covered. Over here, this is for medical and industrial, so PCBs right there from Kingdatron Electronic. Stepper motor, permanent magnet stepper motor. It's all really the fundamentals of what goes inside the in-demand types of electronic devices, things that are really either, well, in some cases just big sellers, but also the ones that are growing quite a lot. And so in fact, looking here at, let's say, this proportional linear solenoid, this is in the medical and industrial, and that's a newly added category to reflect the increased demand that we found from buyers to source this kind of thing. So what else can we see over here? So that's a pressure transmitter. Over here on this stand is the automotive section. It's been in here for a long. This is one of the sort of founding categories of the Next Gen Components Zone. So yeah, and again, actually, this one really does run the gamut from large to small. So you have tiny brushless motors here, up to larger scale components like. Let's see what we've got here. Here's a flow sensor already kind of assembled, a much bigger scale piece of kit. Now you may also see in the background the red uniformed. Actually, the red uniform staff here? Yeah, they are. And they are able to sort of help you out with putting in an order or getting in touch with any of the suppliers if you're interested in sourcing something you see here. Or, of course, something that is related to something you see here. Because if it's not quite what you need exactly on the shelf, this is only a small selection of what is available here in the electronic components part of the show. And you can just make sure that you're, sourcing the right things. Now, if I lean down under here, there's also the rather handy buyer's guide, which you can pick up for free when you come down here. And this is also available in a free ebook format and is split into the same categories you can see here, plus one more, which is drones and robotics, actually. I think drones and robotics is over there. Which one do they not? We'll work this out by process of elimination. But at any rate, this is a sort of takeawayable version of what you're seeing here, so you can consult that at your leisure, but also do talk to the staff here because they'll be able to help you out. Sorry, why am I giving that back to you? That we both only have one hand free. Yeah, this is drones and robotics, so yeah, like a little already mostly assembled PCB plus wheel block there. Optics important for sensor systems inside robotics. And actually you can see a couple of buyers just over here chatting to our on-hand staff to identify the right suppliers or right products for them. We'll leave them to it, I think. So yeah, do stop by if you can. There's another good reason to stop by is because the cafe is right over there, so you can claim your free tea or coffee after you've trekked down here to have a look at this. This is, well, we're at Global Sources Consumer Electronics right now. This is day 3 of the show. It's a 4-day show, which means you're probably not going to make it this afternoon, so tomorrow may be your last chance to get free registration for admission to the show and free transport to the venue from within Hong Kong. You can go to globalsources.com/exhibitions, where you'll find the ability to sign up there and also to preview all of the suppliers and the products that you'll find here at the show. I do hope you can make it before the end of the show tomorrow, but in the meantime, thank you very much for watching and take care.